Good morning. How are we? Happy Saturday. A bit of an earlier start today for a Saturday, like it's only 8:45. I have to be ready in half an hour, but this morning my mum has hired a van and we are going to Ikea to collect furniture. Yes, that is correct. Me and my mum, who's like 5'3". Wardrobe, drawers, I think that's it. Some wardrobes, a chest of drawers, bedside table. Because with everything that's going on in the world, IKEA doing very little to no deliveries. And we put it in the postcode checker and they weren't delivering it to any houses that we knew somebody would be in. So yes, there we rang IKEA and they said we're just not delivering in those areas in the end. So we are hiring a van, which we've done, and I'm going to drive it. So hopefully it'll be okay. I have driven a couple of vans before. I've driven a big Range Rover. It's massive, so hopefully this will be pretty much similar. I'm just not going to reverse it, but yeah. So I'm up, showered, I've washed my tan off. Tan hands, not too bad. Tan hand check, not bad at all. So just putting my moisturiser on, which by the way everyone, I am absolutely loving. The Triple Protect Moisturiser, SPF 30, protects against UVA and UVB, blue light and pollution protection. Wow, it is absolutely brilliant. So good. Like I'm oily, as we all know, and it doesn't leave me with a slick of oil at the end of the day, which is very rare. So yeah, I'm absolutely obsessed with that, because moisturisers sometimes don't do me any favours. So yeah. Also, can we appreciate, I took my hair out last week, all of my hair, put it back in. Look how nice it looks still. And I feel like it's mermaid vibes. That was done a week ago. Still in. Mark Hill. Okay. So we're in the van. Out with Liz. Hi. So yeah, here we are. This is basically it. Then the stuff goes in here. But technically. Technically. So yeah, got the first bit of the stuff, and now IKEA.
Here we come.
Whoop whoop. We should not forget. Have we got everything, Liz?
We do. 5 thumbs.
Got everything that we came for. It weighs 10 tonnes, just to let everyone know. And I wanted this to go on the back of my like filming chair. There's all her stuff, so that's us done in IKEA. But yeah. Oh, here we are.
Right up you go. Ready.
So yeah.
Yeah. Cheers.
Sustenance. So that is us. Everything from IKEA, isn't it, Liz?
Napkins.
Liz got some napkins, because you've got to have napkins when you go IKEA. And now we're having a bit of lemon cake and banana cake. And a very large coffee, well deserved. And now...
And there is breakfast.
There is breakfast.
Yay.
And it's only literally 11:45, so we've done really well. Finish this, and then we need to go, is it B&Q? Yes. Are you leaving that, or you
what do you think? Have a think.
It's up to you. We're here. I'm not bothered, or we can come next week. It's up to you. I'm not bothered. I'm really not. Mind you, if we came next week during the week, we could have a little look in Home Bargains. We're home. I've survived driving the van, done the Ikea, went to B&M, got a couple of bits. I forgot to show you, but yeah, we're home. We're on fire. I've got a cup of tea. And I got these. I haven't had one in ages. They're really nice. Anyone who is wondering, they are lovely. So yeah, I'm just gonna have a cup of tea. And then I'm going just to walk Lexi, I think. Also bodysuit, Stradivarius, jeans, Stradivarius, Vans. But yeah. So that's basically where we're at the minute. And then I need to think about dinner that I want to film. So I think I may carry this vlog over to tomorrow as well, just because today was kind of full on and whatnot. But yeah, I may film tomorrow as well, which is Sunday, so it'll be kind of a weekend vlog. So yeah, that's where we're at just at this minute. Dinner done. I'm actually in my PJs. Why not? It is, of course, we'll have a coffee, why not? And then I thought about, I'm going to pick my nails because mine was all chipped. I was going to film a makeup look, but filming a makeup look can take, you know, roughly 2 hours. So I thought that'll take me till like 8 o'clock tonight, then to take it all off. So that is tomorrow's job. And yeah, so yeah, I think I'm just going to paint my nails. I'm going to do a face mask, see what's on the telly, and then I'll probably join you guys in the morning. Because as I said, I am going to take this over to tomorrow as well, just because today I found was a bit lost. There wasn't a lot going on. So yeah, tomorrow, yeah, we'll see what happens then. So I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. Oh, how are we? Happy Sunday. I don't think I've addressed the vlog yet. Oh, I'm gonna put you there. I don't think I've actually addressed the vlog yet. Baby. So this morning I was up and I've been for an hour and 15-minute walk, which was really nice. I think it's great to start the day off. It was raining, which I definitely don't enjoy, but yeah, Lexi loved it. We had a cup of coffee and it was great. Last night I was in bed for like 8:30, so early. I was so tired. I did paint my nails, which I said that I was going to. Nice red colour. I used the OPI Over and Over Gwen Stefani range. So that was that job done. And then this morning I kind of stripped the bed. I'm going to put my new bedding on, my new duvet. Have a bit of a clean round. I need to wash my hair. All the usual Sunday stuff. Nothing really exciting for you guys. But I did want to show you this. I picked it up from Home Bargains and I really like it. I can't praise it enough for making my teeth feel white, help take the dirt off my brace. Just generally I really like it. But it's this. It was £2 in Home Bargains, and if you want whiter teeth, your teeth to feel whiter, your mouth to feel cleaner, it's really good. And for £2 to try it, I can't praise it enough. Somebody's on my phone. Oh. So yeah, today I'm gonna film a makeup look. I'm gonna do something dark and smoky, I think. I was going to go to Starbucks there on the way home, but I've already had 2 coffees today and that is plenty for me. But yeah, obviously we'll carry on this vlog, but I'm going to look back over the footage because I don't know if there's enough footage from yesterday and then kind of what I'll be doing today to make it a weekend vlog. But yeah, I'll see how that goes. If not, I'll carry it on during the week or in maybe next weekend, or I'll maybe just upload this as a short vlog. Yeah, so let's go. Oh, so I've just filmed this look and I absolutely love it, and it's only 1:30. So that's good, but I am hungry, so I'm gonna have a little bit of lunch. I think, yeah, I really like how it turned out. It's so pretty. Yeah. So I will get that edited today. So I'm gonna have some lunch, I think. And yeah, so pretty. Yeah, I like it. Okay, I had something to eat. I'm now going to go out and have a shower and a hair wash. I'm going to take this makeup off that I've just put on. That is correct. I've taken my pictures. I was going to film like a Q&A, but I'll do another makeup look and film another video, but my hair really needs washing. We all know that it takes hours. So yes, I'm going to go, and I feel like this is oxidised a bit better, this BB cream. I'm still not sure, but yeah, I'll see you when I'm done. Oh, hair is all washed, my god. Also, as we all know, I took my tapes out last week and redid them myself and they washed absolutely fine. The shampoo that I got is amazing, I truly love it. And then I also love the Dr. Popo, it does it all 7-in-1 hair styler. It is fantastic. I love it. It's brilliant. So I'm going to get a load more of those and stock up on those. But yeah, right now I think I'm going to go and get myself set up downstairs, edit this vlog, edit the makeup look. It's 2:30 and I'm not going to be doing much else obviously for the rest of the day. So yeah, I'm going to end this vlog here, but of course thank you for spending the weekend with me. I hope you guys enjoyed your weekend and I will see you in the next one.